Welcome back sa ating pre-accounting tutorial for today. So our topic for today is all about partnership dissolution. So in the partnership dissolution, what is the reason why the partnership is undergo a dissolution stage? So we have the admission of new partners, the withdrawal, retirement or death of a partners, incorporation of a partnership. What is a dissolution? Dissolution, it has a characteristic of partnership that has a limited life in the sense that the partnership agreement can be easily dissolved. So yung nadi-dissolve dito is yung partnership agreement, hindi yung business mismo. Comparison between dissolution and liquidation. Dito sa dissolution, not necessarily termination of the business operation. So, pwede pang mag-exist yung business. And then, new article of partnership should be drawn up. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-undergo na siya ng dissolution, mayroon ng bagong article of partnership. What if naman nag-undergo siya ng liquidation? It is a termination of partnership or the winding up of the partnership affair. So, tini-terminate na yung business and then nagsisettlement na ng mga liabilities. Admission. So, we have first topic is the admission of a new partners. Then we will next is the withdrawal, retirement or death of a partners tapos incorporation. So, hahatiin ko siya sa tatlo na video. So, we have the admission of new partners. Sa admission of new partners, we have two. The purchase of interest in the partnership and the investment in the partnership. So, ano nga ba yung pagkakaiba? Pag nag-purchase kasi ng interest, it is a private transaction between the two. Ibig sabihin, hindi nire-record yung gain at saka loss sa partnership book. Dito naman sa investment in the partnership is nagkakaroon tayo ng bonuses, which is yung gain or loss ay pwedeng mapunta dun sa capital balances ng new or the old partners. So we have purchase of interest. In the purchase of interest in the partnership, we have purchase from one partner, more than one partner, book value method, tapos proportionate share. So, in this video guys, is nagbigay na lang ako ng example, then apply natin yung concept para mas mabilis nyong maintindihan. So, we have illustration number 1, purchase of interest. The capital balances and P&L ratio of the partners in the DGF partnership are as follows. So, D with the capital balances na 50,000, then 25% is the P&L ratio. G with 80,000 capital and 50% P&L ratio. F with 70,000 capital and then 25% P&L ratio. So, total partnership capital na 200,000. So, purchase of interest from one partner. So, M purchase 1/2 of this capital interest for 50,000. So, requirement, compute for M capital acquired. The solution is the 50,000 times 1/2. So, saan natin nakuha yung 50,000? 50,000 is the given capital ni D. And then, stated sa problem na 1/2 of the capital interest is purchased by M. So, 1/2 times 50,000 is equal to 25,000. Journal entry. Debit D capital, 25,000. And credit M capital, 25,000. To record the admission of M to the partnership. So, makikita natin dito sa journal entry natin na hindi natin ni-record yung gain na 25,000 pesos kasi it is a private transaction between the two, so hindi na natin siya kailangan ilagay sa book of the partnership. So case 2 is the purchase from more than one partners. So M purchased 20% of these G and F's capital interest for 90,000. So requirement, compute for M capital acquired. So the solution is, so we get the capital of D, G and F. We have 50,000, 80,000 and 70,000 multiplied by 20% each. So we have in the D capital, so here we have an interest of 10,000, and then for G capital we have 16,000, and for F capital is 14,000, a total of 40,000 interest in the partnership. Journal entry to establish the capital of M. This capital 10,000, debit D capital 10,000, G's capital 16,000, F's capital is 14,000, and a credit to M's capital 40,000. So hindi natin nire-record dito yung gain and loss in the purchase transaction. Next natin is the investment of asset. So definition of terms is the total contributed capital. It is the sum of capital balances of all partners and actual investment of the new partners. Number 2 is the total agreed capital. It is the total capital of the partnership after considering the capital credit given to each of the partner. Under bonus method, total agreed capital is equal to the total contributed capital through the capital credit to each partners may be equal to, greater than or less than his capital contribution. So we have bonus. It is the amount of capital or equity transferred by one partners to another partners. So dalawa yung bonus natin. Pwedeng yung bonus to old partners or bonus to the new partners. Number 4 is the capital credit. It is the equity of the partners in the new partnership and is obtained by multiplying the total agreed capital by the applicable percentage interest of the partners. So in this scenario, so we have illustration 1 again, bonus to old partners. Deina and Wendy are partners with a capital balances of 500,000 and 300,000 respectively. They share profit in the ratio of 3:1. The partners agreed to admit Niel as a member of the firm. The foregoing information will be the basis of the following cases. So ito yung gagamitin natin na information sa mga cases natin, no? So shoutout nga pala kay Deina and Wendy at saka kay Niel, new subscriber natin, no? Thank you. Case 1, total agreed capital is stated. So naka-state yung agreed capital. Assume that Niel invested 350,000 for a 1/4 interest in the investment. So nag-invest daw si Niel ng 350,000 pesos for a 1/4 interest in the business. The partnership decide not to revaluate the asset of the partnership and the total agreed capital is 1,150,000 pesos. Next is solution. So gagawa ka lang ng ganito. Magkano yung total agreed capital nila is 1,150,000 times magkano yung interest niya sa business o yung ma-acquired niya sa business. So sabi dito is 1/4 interest in the business yung ma-acquired ni Niel in the investment sa 350,000 na ibibigay niya, magkakaroon siya ng 1/4 na interest sa business. So ibig sabihin total agreed capital is the 1,150,000 times 1/4 na interest ni Niel sa business. So we have 287,500 total agreed capital ni Niel. So makikita natin dito sa solution na mas malaki yung in-invest niya kaysa yung sa magiging capital niya, no? Kung ilan yung na-acquired niya. So we have 350,000 yung binayad niya, then na-acquired niya lang is 287,500. So merong 62,500 na bonus to the old partners. So yung exist dito guys is mapupunta sa old partners. So gawa ka lang ng table. Pwedeng gawa ka na lang ng table na ganito. So contributed, bonus, tapos yung agreed. So old partners, we have Deina and Wendy. And then yung new partners nila is si Niel. Then total agreed capital is 1,150,000. So alam naman natin na mayroong capital contributed si Deina na 500,000, tapos si Wendy is 300,000. Total na 800,000. Tapos yung in-invest ni Niel na 350. So total is 1,150,000. And then nakuha naman na natin yung bonus to the old partners, which is 62,500. So kailangan lang natin silang i-allocate through P&L ratio. Magkano yung P&L ratio? 3:1. Ayun, nakabanggit. They share profit in the ratio of 3:1. So P&L ratio yan. So we have 62,000 times 3 divided by 4. So si Deina meron siyang 46,875. Then si Wendy naman is merong 62,500 times 1 divided by 4. So we have 15,625 na bonus kay Wendy. So total bonus na 62,000. And then total is 0. And then agreed. So add lang natin yung contributed capital tapos yung bonus. So meron na silang agreed capital ni Deina is 546,875. Tapos si Wendy is 315,625. Total 862,500. Tapos si Niel is meron siyang 287,500. Total partnership capital na 1,150,000. So ito yung pag-allocate ng bonus sa old partners to P&L ratio. Again, ulitin ko para mas maliwanag. Una nyo gagawin is titignan nyo kung magkano, ilan yung agreed capital, i-multiply kung magkano yun, kung ilan yung in-acquired niya. Then ililist mo yung kung ilan yung in-invest niya sa na-acquired niya, tapos yun na yung bonus. Kung positive siya, ibig sabihin may bonus to the old partners. Pag negative is may bonus to the new partners. Then allocate mo yung bonus to P&L ratio. Then add mo lang yung contributed, kung magkano yung capital niya nung dati, tapos yung bonus niya, yun na yung agreed capital nila. So next case, journal entry muna natin. So we have cash 350,000. Nil capital is 350,000 to record the initial investment of Nil. Then after the bonus, so we have Niel capital, debit 62,500, Deina capital 46,875, tapos si Wendy capital is 15,625 to record bonus to the old partners. So nag-debit tayo dito ng Niel's capital kasi babawasan natin yung capital ni Niel. So we have case 2. Total agreed capital is not explicitly stated. So hindi lang sinabi dito yung total agreed capital, pero sasabihin dito kung ilan yung bonus. So naka-direct na siya na. Assume that Niel invested 300,000 in the business. Out of the total cash investment, 50,000 is considered as a bonus to the partners Deina and Wendy. So sinabi na dito kagad kung magkano yung bonus. So alam na natin kung ilan yung bonus. Then allocate na natin to P&L ratio. So solution is 300,000 kung ilan in-invest niya. Minus natin yung bonus na 50,000. So we have 250,000. Yun yung Niel agreed capital. So we have 50,000 is the bonus to the partners allocation using P&L ratio. So distribution of bonus, Deina 50,000 times 3:4. 3 divided by Deina 50,000 times 3 divided by 4. So we have 37,500. Wendy 50,000 times 1 divided by 4. So we have 12,500. Total of 50,000. Journal entry. Cash. Debit cash 300,000. Credit Niel capital 300,000 to record the initial investment of Niel. Then after the allocation of the bonus to the old partners, so we will deduct the Niel's capital or debit Niel capital 50,000. Then we have to credit Deina capital 37,500 and Wendy capital 12,500 to record the bonus to the old partners. So next, bonus to the new partners. So ito naman is meron tayong bonus sa new partners. Case 1 is the total agreed capital is stated. So sinabi yung magkano yung partnership capital. Assume Niel invested 240,000 for a 1/3 interest in a business. So sinabi kung magkano kung ilan yung interest niya doon sa business na meron siyang 1/3 interest. The total agreed capital is 1,040,000. Solution, 1,040,000 times 1/3. So we have 346,667 Niel agreed capital. So ito na yung capital daw ni Niel. Then we have to get kung magkano yung capital daw ni Niel na 346,667, i-less natin kung magkano talaga yung in-invest niya na 240,000. So we have 106,667 bonus to the new partners. So ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung na-gain niya kaysa dun sa binayad niya. So may bonus para sa new partners. So paano natin allocate yung distribution ng bonus to the new partners? Paano nila paghahatian ng old partners? So we have 106,667 times 3 divided by 4. So we have 80,000 deduction to Deina capital. Then we have 106,667 times 1 divided by 4 equals to 226,667 deduction to Wendy's capitals. Journal entry. So we have cash 240,000, Niel capital 200, 40,000 pesos credit to record the investment of Niel. So after the to record the bonus to the new partners is we have to debit Deina capital 80,000 and Wendy capital 26,667. Then credit natin yung Niel capital 106,667 to record bonus to the new partners. So yun, no. Thank you guys for listening. I hope na madami kayong natutunan.